All right, let's do an LAV base. Two LAVs will attack. We're going to kill them with our controllers. They're very aggressive, so we're going to let them come. When they get here, our controllers will fire and we'll retreat. Okay, one more, same thing. As soon as he gets close, they'll fire and we'll retreat. All right, now let's just slowly pick this base apart. 4 controllers. That's all you need. Take out another one. Now we're going to shoot him. When he does, he will move. All right, now I'm going to take out this guy. Take out the 2 flak guns. Now we're taking out him. He'll take out this guy here. All right, take out a few of these elite riflemen. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to shoot this guy. And we're going to hope to kill him. Okay, didn't get him. We'll have to get him with Braden. All right, get rid of him. Bring in some others. Clean out the other side same way. Just take your time. Lay them out a piece at a time. Now we'll take out the 2 flaks. Come over here and we will take out this guy. All right, we didn't get him. Problem now is this guy here will shoot us if we shoot him. But it's worth it, because once we clean him out, we're done. You know, we're going to try to send Braden in. Let's bring Braden in. Braden will do it as well. He only takes a couple minutes repair. Come in from over here. Braden will take him out. All right. Now, he'll end up with a couple minutes repair. That's it. How much time we got? We're just going to bring in aces. We're going to clean the rest of the base out with aces, and you're done. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's just that easy. Spread them out a little bit. Kill these last two LAVs. And you're done. It's just that simple. No going to, I don't get any more tokens, so that's all you get. But you can get a token or you can get LAV. But it's literally that easy. So go, do it.